What's up? Got a Jetta with a tough little dent in the right quarter panel near the gas area. I don't even know if I'm gonna be able to fix this one, so might have to glue pull it, might be able to get a tool on it, but I don't know. So let me show you the dent and then we'll see what happens. Oh man, got a surprise, nice good surprise too. So back behind the wheel, the liner inside the quarter panel up in here, right? There's a liner, got the liner comes down easy. Then boom, this came out of there, boom, access. So this is like right in there. Sweet. Looks like we're in business. Here we go. I got a few pushes on it already, so I'm gonna work on that crown at the top. All right, ladies and gentlemen, we are finished with this Volkswagen quarter panel. Let me show you what it looks like. Hold on, I'm doing vertical video. Let me switch this. All right, I'm back on some landscape orientation. All right, so let me show you this. Let me show you this quarter panel. Looks pretty good. It is not perfect. It's got a little bit of texture there. But for what it was pretty deep right on that body line. Got it out without breaking the paint, and you really can't see it unless you really get down there and hunt for it. But I really only used one tool on this. Really my go-to dent slayer, this Blim ratchet handle, like about 36 inches deal. That sucker fit right in there, right in that hole. Boom, right in there, boom. Oops. Looks like I put a little scratch on there. I'm gonna have to buff that out. All right, y'all, holler.